Greetings everyone, welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a piano tutorial for the song Ulwandle by Dumi Mkokstad. So we're in the key of A flat, and I'm going to be doing it for both beginners and intermediate players. Let's get straight into it. I'll start with the beginners chords, then goes into the intermediate chords. So the first part goes like this, right? Ulwandle babona nomfuli Jordana wababona babengcwele inkazimulo ephakathi kwa Jehovah. Right, so what are those chords there, right? So left hand's playing a 5, right hand's playing a 4, 5, 1. Ulwandle, left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 3, 5, 1. Ulwandle, back to that chord where left hand's playing a 5, right hand's playing a 4, 5, 1. Back to the 1 chord where left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 3, 5, 1. Right. Nomfuli Jordan, left hand's playing a 1. Right hands, you can play a 5, 7, 1. You can play a 5, 1. Sorry, you can play a 5, 7, 3, or 5, 1, 3, or 5, 7, 1, 3. Your choice. Fully Jordan. Left hand's playing a 2. Right hand's playing a 7 flat, 2, 4. Left hand's playing a 3. Right hand's playing a 1, 4, 1, 2, 5. One more bone. Left hand's playing a 4. Right hand's playing a 6, 1, 4. Right, then you can do this, right? Left hand's playing a 5, sorry, left hand playing a 3, right hand you can do a 1, 5, 1, 3, 6, 2, 4. Then when you hit that 7 flat, 2, 3, 5, left hand can hit a 3. Then right hand's playing a 6, 1, 2, 4. Then left hand plays a 5, right hand plays a 5, 1, 3. Then left hand plays a 2, right hand plays a 5 flat, 1, 3. And this is at the so left hand plays a 5, right hand plays a 5, 7, 2. Left hand stays on that 5, right hand goes to a 4, 5, 1. Then you go to the 1. Left hand plays a 1, right hand plays a 3, 5, 1. Alright, so that's the beginner part for the first part. Now we're gonna go to the intermediate part, how to play this first part like that. So left hand's playing a 5 octave, right hand's playing a 1, 4, 5, 1. Then left hand's playing a 1, 5, 1, right hand's playing a 2, 3, 5, 1, but you're doing a grace note from the 2 to the 3. Back to that 5 octave left hand, 1, 4, 5, 1 right hand. Then back to that grace noting into the 1. Then Don't fall short. Left hand's playing with 1 octave. Right hand's playing a 5, 7, 3. Left hand's playing a 2, 1, 2. Right hand's playing a 4, 7 flat, 1, 4. Or you can do a 2, 7 flat, 1 in the left hand to match the pattern which you're doing in the right hand. Where both hands, left hand's going to play a 2, right hand's going to play 4 octave, then both hands are going to be playing a 7 flat, 1, 6. Then next, both hands are going to be playing a, left hand's going to be playing a 3, right hand's going to be playing a 5 octave, then both hands are going to play a 1, 2, 7. So then our left hand's going to be playing a 4, 1, 3, right hand's going to be playing a 6, 1, 3, 6. and that's for fully Jordan. Alright. Alright, so left hand's gonna be playing a 2 flat, 7 flat, 2 flat. Right hand's gonna be playing a 3 5, 7 flat, 2 flat, 3. Right? Left hand's gonna play a 2 1 2. Right hand's gonna play a 6 1 4 5. So left hand's gonna play a 3 1 3. Right hand's gonna play a 5 1 2 5. Left hand's gonna play a 4 1 4. Right hand's gonna play a 6 1 4 5. Right hand's gonna play a 6 1 2 4. Right hand's gonna play 5 octave. Sorry, left hand's gonna play 5 octave. Right hand's gonna play 5 1 3. 6 flat 5 5 flat. When you hit that 5 flat, left hand's gonna hit that 2 1 2. Then after so the 6 3 pagati. Left hand's gonna play 5 octave. Right hand's gonna play a 6 7 2. But you're gracing into a 7 from that 6. Pagati. Right. Left hand's gonna play a 6 1. Right hand's gonna play a 4 5 1. 1 2 3. Left hand's gonna play a 7 2. Right hand's gonna play a 5 2. But you can do a 5 gracing into a 6. Left hand's gonna play 1 5 1. Right hand's gonna play a 2 3 5. But you're doing a grace. You're gracing a 2 into a 3. Right. And that's the intermediate part. Now we can go to the chorus section where we go we're gonna start with the beginner part. So it's right, so left hand's playing a 1 3, right hand's gonna play a 5 1 3. Left hand's gonna play a 2 4, right hand's gonna play a 7 flat 2 4. Left hand's gonna play a 3 5, right hand's gonna play a 1 2 5. Left hand's gonna play a 4 6, right hand's gonna play a 1 3 6. Right, the next part, Dali. Left hand's gonna play a 5 flat 6, right hand's gonna play a 1 3 6. Dali. Left hand's gonna play a 5 7, right hand's gonna play a 2 5 7. Left hand's gonna play a 6 1, right hand's gonna play a 4 5 1. Left hand's gonna play a 5 7, right hand's gonna play a 2 5 7. Passing chord, left hand's gonna play a 4 6, right hand's gonna play a 2 5 7. Nasibi. Left hand's gonna play a 3, right hand's gonna play a 2 5 1. Nasi. Nasi. Left hand's gonna stay on the 3, right hand's gonna play a 4 5 1 2 5. So Nasi to C mo. Left hand stays on the 2, goes to 2 C, then right hand goes to a 6 1 4 5 C mo. Then right hand's gonna be on a 6 1 2 4. C. Left hand on a 5, right hand on a 5 1 3. Left hand stays on a 5, right hand on a 4 6 2. Then resolve it to the 1. Right. 1 left hand, 3 5 1 right hand. So that's the beginner part. It goes like this. Man. This phone and locking. Okay. So Alright, now for the intermediate section, we're gonna go like this. So I showed you that you're doing this one in the previous section, right? But actually I was a bit too fast. The first section you're supposed to go right? Because the I want you to do it in the chorus. So I've already showed you how to do that, so just go watch back. That's what you're going to do here. That 1, 2, 3, 4. Because now, the first part you're just supposed to go normally, without doing all that. Just 1, 2. I've showed you the chords already. Just play the chords without doing the... So 1, damn it, phone. Alright, we're gonna put it now. My bad. Oh, sliding. Alright. 2, 3, 4. Right. Then Dali. Left hand's playing a 5 flat, 2 5 flats. Right hand's playing a 6 1 3 6. Dali. Left hand's playing 5 octave. Right hand's playing a 7 2 5 7. Dali. Left hand playing a 6, right hand playing a 1 octave, and both hands gonna play a 4 5 4. Left hand's playing 5. Left hand's playing 5 octave. Right hand's going back to that 7 2 5 7. Right. 5 6. Left hand's playing a 6 1. A 4 6. Right hand's playing a 2 5 7. You're gonna play that 2. No CP with that part. No CP. Left hand's playing a 3 1. Right hand's playing a 2 5 1. CP. No CP. No C. No C. Now left hand's playing a 2 4. Right hand's playing a 7 flat 2 4. No, Isimo. No. Left hand's playing a 3 5. Right hand's playing a 1 2 5. No, Isimo. Right. So left hand's playing a 4 octave. Right hand's playing a 6 1 4 5. C. Yeah. So C. You can keep the melody by holding this big chord here. Left hand's playing a 2 1 2. Right hand's playing a 4 6 1 5. C. Right, so 2 1 2 4 6 1 5 C. Left hand's doing a 5 octave. Right hand's doing a 3 5 1 5 3 5 1 3. Left hand 2 1 2. Right hand 5 flat 6 1. Left hand 5 octave. Right hand 4 6 2. Resolve back to the 1. Left hand 1 5 1. Right hand 2 3 5 1. Right, so that's the entire thing there. But let me just show you one more thing you can do for the intermediate part, where you're going to yeah, so I tell you but now you can do right. So after you play that chord, we're gonna play this. Left hand's playing a 6 flat, right hand's playing a 2 5 flat 7. Left hand's playing a 5, right hand's playing a 2 flat, 4, 7 flat. Left hand's playing a 5 flat, right hand's playing a 1, 3, 6. The left hand's playing a 5 octave, right hand's playing a 7 to 5. Right, then you repeat. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Hopefully you guys liked integrating both beginner and intermediate parts now. Hopefully this reaches a wider audience, you know, those guys who would look at my chords and think that they're just too hard to play. At least now you can have something that you can play and then have another set of chords that you can work towards. Until next time guys, stay blessed.